Welcome to JWB Manufacturing. I am Jeff Barth, and thank you for visiting our shop in Tempe, Arizona. Today I'd like to continue our video series on the blades that we make and offer in our shop in JWB Manufacturing. Today I want to highlight the blades for the Schleuniger MP257 style machine. There are other machines that these blades fit into, and we'll talk about that in a moment, but I want to highlight those today. The carbide blades for the Schleuniger MP257 also fits in the HC207, the RS2400, the CS5200, and the CS5300. And these blades are offered with titanium coated or without. Most people buy them without the titanium coating on there, but they are available with the titanium coating on them. These are sold as a pair. Each of these blades go through a quality review where we have a fixture. We actually set every single blade in there to make sure that they will fit well, so that when the finger arms come in and grab the blade, they don't have to overcompensate. They're going to fit very nicely. We maintain an inventory of these blades. We make these blades also available through our online store at JWBmanufacturing.com, Amazon, eBay. They're also available through a traditional purchase order, or you can just give us a call and place your order. If you have any questions about these blades or any other products that we offer, check out our website or give us a call. I invite you to check out our other product videos on YouTube, Facebook, and JWBmanufacturing.com. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I am Jeff Barth, and I will see you on our next video.